Air Max written on it or anything. Let's just go ahead and flip these. I'm not sure about these. Hey, what up guys, Paps Moneybags here, back with yet another sneaker unboxing, and today once again, this shoe isn't mine. Come on man, how you not gonna get your own shoes in the channel? My dude Gian be getting so many sneakers, and he told me, bro, I want you to unbox this one, which he told me it was the Nike Flair Air Max, or Nike Air Max Flair, which I have actually never seen in person. And I didn't know about it until he told me that he copped it. So I have no idea what this shoe looks like at all. The funny thing about these is that he found them in a similar offer that I found the Prestos in, that Nike did. Again, 25% off of the whole, if whatever order you got, you just get 25% off. And these shoes were already on sale, so he got them for so cheap. Unlike the Vapormax, the paper doesn't actually have Air Max written on it or anything. Let's just go ahead and flip these. I'm not sure about these. Again, I have never seen these, so this is the first time I actually... Different style for sure. They look kind of like they remind me a lot of the 2015 or the 2016. Now, they remind me a lot of the 2016 Air Max. This part over here is supposed to be reflective, so I'm really looking towards that. So let me just go ahead and put this one to the side real quick, and then take this other one out. Also, for this video, for the on feet look, John is the one that's gonna be giving us the look for it, because of course these wouldn't fit me because they're not my size. So, you know, it's not like I'm gonna force my foot in there. So yeah, he's gonna hook it up with how he would wear them and how he's planning on, you know, rocking these for the on-feet look. But here we have them, Nike Air Max Flair. Kind of like the Russell Westbrooks. They are really unique, and the style, the silhouette of the whole shoe is really different. The most noticeable detail right away is the Air written on the upper part of the shoe. They're unique in the design and the silhouette, but they're really simple. The upper is a synthetic upper. Again, the Air across the same is the most noticeable part of it. It's supposed to be reflective, so you know we're gonna try it out. In the bubble, just like a regular old school Nike Air Max bubble. Nike logo over here in the middle of the sole, and the sole pretty similar to any other Air Max that I've had or I have seen. But over here in the heel you have right there you can see a better Nike swoosh, Nike just written on it. This is kind of funny. I kind of find this interesting. The upper is really asymmetrical. It's kind of like one part of the upper goes underneath, and then this other part covers it up, and it's kind of like it's wrapped up over here in the heel. You can see where it all comes together. The same type of pattern that we saw over here in the heel is kind of over here in the collar of the shoe, same like mixed in with the thong. Then there's of course the Nike logo, Nike swoosh over there in the thong as well, with more cushioning, kind of like I've seen this cushioning on like basketball shoes. This is a really weird shoe, but I kind of dig it. I just don't like this colorway. Even the lacing system, again, that asymmetrical part of the upper goes along with the lacing system. Real quick, just like always, I gotta show you the insole. It has the Nike Air Max. Actually, not only Nike Air over there. I guess they wanted to go with that asymmetrical theme throughout it. Because again, even the Air is not even like written correctly, or it's not like correctly positioned on the upper. The bubble, I love the Air Max bubble way better than the Vapormax bubble. You're gonna hate on me for it, maybe not, but I love the Air Max bubble way better. You can just feel the air a lot better. Maybe I just haven't had the Vapormax for too long. You know, who knows? I might be judging the shoe a little bit hard right now. Just, again, the unique style. But let's just go ahead and see how they look on feet with John, and maybe that will change my mind. So right off the bat, we start with the shorts and low socks. Not really digging this look, mainly because of how chunkier and bigger the shoe looks. But then we move on to the camo pants, and this one's actually my favorite, just like streetwear look. The all black matches perfectly with the camo. And then the jeans, it's just like a casual, more everyday look. But even then, I think I would rock it even with this colorway. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So keep on watching more sneaker unboxings and more reviews and more sneakers that I'll be doing whenever I get the time. Once again, that's it for today. You guys are amazing. Peps Moneybags. Out.